Thanks, Jermaine. With the talks of Jamaica's athletics prowess being back following several athletes delivering medals at the ongoing World Athletics Championships, world-renowned coach at MVP Stephen Francis is calling out fair weather fans. However, he says given certain dynamics, it remains to be seen whether or not there will be a period of dominance like that of the golden generation.
Jamaica so far captured 1 gold, 3 silver and 4 bronze in Tokyo, 2 more medals than the 6 won in 2024 at the Olympic Games in Paris. However, there were criticisms of the athletes, given there was only 1 medal won on the track by Kishane Thompson in the men's 100 meters, with the other medals, including the gold, coming in the field. Fast forward a year later, and all 8 medals came from the performances on the track.
You know, people are wagonists. Nothing much has changed since last year. And last year they were saying it's dead.
Yeah.
You know, all it takes is for a few Americans to not have the best situation, for a couple of them to to go to jail a couple times and whatever, and things switch around.
But Francis isn't willing to bank on a shift happening just yet.
It is difficult to know if that's a trend for the future. All we can do is hope that you continue to facilitate the youngsters who are coming up to make good choices, or not good choices for themselves, and hopefully for track and field.
Meanwhile, Francis is also expressing concerns regarding the future of the young athletes in the sport.
Too many of our youngsters are not are falling by the wayside in terms of when they become 22 or 23, finish with school, that they no longer are able to contribute much.
In the meantime, prior to the baton foul up by the men's 4x100 meters team that sees them missing out on the final, Francis had this to say when asked about the relays that have been a hit and miss in recent times.
Teams that have what we would call very average sprinters run very fast times because of the new theories and new techniques and new methods of training, which has been absent from the Jamaican scenario and setup in the past. And it is no longer sufficient to talk about, you have the fastest people. The fastest people will get you beat if it's not coordinated and done, and the exchanges are done to the level that it has been done with the other countries.
He is hoping that with certain plans put in place, future campaigns will bear fruit.
What I think the president has done this year is try to institute a new policy which tries to address all of that. It's a new start, and I'm hopeful that we can at least make a step towards accomplishing that. It's hard to say where we will come because we have not yet had our new system in place, but hopefully we can do well.
Francis was speaking to a reporter in Tokyo, Jermaine Brown. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Now, on an editorial note, 7 of the 8 medals won by Jamaica so far came on the track. The other silver came in the men's long jump via Tajay Gale.